Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've got these super pretty set of pink lace nails today. So if you're interested, then just stay tuned. So since I posted that I was getting a new dust collector, loads of you got in touch and just asked if I could do a review or how to fit it. It's the Valentino Pure. And if you wanted to skip this part, I'll leave a timestamp down below now for you where you can skip straight to the tutorial. So as I mentioned, I have invested in the Valentino Pure dust extractor. My other one was really basic and just used to blow dust out the sides. So I actually went for the flush mount model, which sits inside your nail table and it's really flush on top. Super easy to change the filters, etc. and get rid of the dust. So I did persuade my lovely dad to come over and fit this for me. He is my DIY hero. So I've got some footage here of how we did it and I'll come back afterwards and let you know how it works. So I hope that little piece of footage was useful. This is a side view where you can see with the grate on how much it actually stands up from the table, and you can see it's not very high at all. It really is flush with the table. I'm so pleased with it. So this is a view from the top, and this top grate just slides off either side so you can get to the filter underneath, and this is it here, and you can get replacement filters as well for this. So I'm going to turn this on and let you hear how loud this is. I don't think it's very loud at all, so I was really happy with that as well. So you probably heard that it's louder at the beginning when you first turn it on, and then you turn it all the way to the end just to get it on the lowest setting, which is what I've got it on here. So I'm just going to remove my gel polish here, and I just remove the length and everything as well and do a little bit of debulking, and then I'll show you how much dust has actually come from just this one nail. And while the fan was still on, I did just sweep off any excess dust that's on the grate just into the filter, so that just sucks it in there. So really easy to empty the filter. You just take the grate off, slide it, as I said, either way, and then pull out the filter. I just actually use my cuticle pusher to get this out, and it just pops straight out. And then I've just got some black card here just to show you how much dust comes out from just one nail. And I was really amazed at how much dust came out, because normally that would be all over my table, but it was just all contained in this filter. So overall, super happy with it. So on to the tutorial now. I recently purchased a gel kit from Ugly Duckling and these tips came with it. They're the Premium Fit pre-pinch tips, so I thought I may as well give them a whirl today. And then the two coloured hard gels I'm using are Show Me the Honey and Sweet Lace from Light Elegance. Now these are the pots opened, and the colours that you're seeing on screen are the colours that's on my nails. When I come to film, I do use quite bright lights, so these sort of pale colours can get quite washed out, but the colours that you're seeing there are the actual colours of the gels. So it's like, I would say like a baby coral pink, Show Me the Honey, and Sweet Lace is a baby pink lace gel. And then to encapsulate everything, I'm using the Cool Gel and my two favourite brushes, which are Light Elegance number 4 Oval and the Gel Polish Bling Brush. And then if you watch my channel regularly, you'll know that I love this rubber base coat from the gel bottle, and I put this under all my hard gels. So I've applied the clear tips here to the nails, and I'm just going in with my cleanser just to cleanse the natural nail. And then I'm actually going to go in with tack because I can't be bothered to rough up the clear tip. This eliminates that step, so you can put tack straight over a clear tip and gel will adhere to that. Then once that's cured, I'm going to use the rubber base coat and cure that. So this nail is going to have the two colours on with the striping tape on. So I just apply Show Me the Honey to 1/3 of the nail because I want 2/3 lace. So I'm just making sure that I've got it really nice and neat around that cuticle area and making sure I've got enough on there so it's nice and opaque, and then I'm going to cure that. So then I'm going to apply Sweet Lace to the other 2/3 of the nail, and I absolutely adore the Light Elegance lace gels. Like, some people just don't get them, but I really love them. And you can have this as opaque or as sparse as you like, so you can have it looking even more lacy. If you have it really sparse with a clear tip, it just looks really cool. So I'm just messing about with that and getting it how I like it. And at this point, I'm not worrying about it looking lumpy and bumpy because it's all going to be lovely and encapsulated and filed, so no worries about that. So my index finger is going to be all lace, and I just love the versatility of gel because you can, if you've added too much, you can take it off, or, you can add more, it doesn't matter. And you can play with it till the cows come home. So I just messed about with it how I liked it and then cured that. Okay, so striping tape, my nemesis of life. I'm going to actually cure this into a clear gel so it stays put. So I just cut a little bit and then apply a very thin layer of the Cool Gel, and while it's still wet, just to apply the striping tape on top. And I actually hold it with my fingers and then somehow managed to put it in the lamp and cure this. So when it comes out, I just nip off the excess that isn't encased in the gel with my nippers, and then these nails are ready to encapsulate and build your apex, etc., and then ready to file. So these are my nails all refined and shaped, etc. And then I'm actually going to use the Ugly Duckling No Wipe today just to give that a try. So after I've wiped off all the dust, I just applied one coat of that and cured in my lamp for 30 seconds. And hopefully you can see there how well and truly encased that striping tape is. It is not going anywhere. It's not going to peel or lift on me, so hoorah. So I do get asked quite a lot on which cuticle oil I'm using, and at the moment I'm using this light Elegance one. I just really like the dropper on it and it smells amazing. And then afterwards I do go over with some LCN Super Shine Cleanser, and I totally flogged that idea from Talia from Talia's Nail Tales, so thanks Talia for the tip, and it really shines up your nails before you take any photos. So I'll leave you with a couple of photos, and I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.